going on, guys? Happy Halloween. Saturday, October 31st. Down here in the Imperial Valley again. I drove down here by myself. Everybody else got kids and had plans, so I figured I'd just do a solo trip. But drove out at 6 o'clock this morning. Took a few hours to get down here from Big Bear. I got bait, enough bait for the daytime. I'll go back and get more bait before tonight. I didn't bring the big live well this time. It's just me, so. But here we are at the first spot, right outside of Brawley. And now you guys can see better. Just a little hole in the bush line off behind the hillside, so hopefully one of these baits get hit up. I'm gonna give it a little while, probably about an hour. I'm gonna bounce around, try to find them. It is fall time, the water's changed, the temperatures drop, so hopefully they're feeding right now, just getting fattened up and active before winter. But stay tuned, hopefully we get on some fish this trip. Oh, yes sir, fish on. Finally. Oh, it's a good one too. That was a big tilapia. Finally hooked up, double hook rig. It's a good one. That was a big tilapia. Oh, he's swimming at me. Get the clicker off. Okay. Oh yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh shoot, fourth spot of the day. Yes, and it's paid off. It's a good one. Swimming at me. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come to daddy. Oh yes. Finally, dude, I've been out here fishing since 10:30 this morning. Get out of there. Get out of there. I've been fishing since 10:30 this morning. Tried 4 different spots and finally hooked up. Hell yeah. It's a good one. Got him, coach. I don't know how big he is, but he'll do. Get the skunk off, that's for sure. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah. Come here. Oh shoot, got my net in the back of the trunk. Yeah, boy. Woohoo! Got him, coach. It's a good one. It's the teens for sure. It is in the teens for sure. Yes, sir. Nice. On the double hook rig, front and back, so it don't matter what side he's grabbing a hook. Hell yeah. And it's a good size one, dude. It's definitely in the teens, that's for sure. I'm gonna get a weight and a length on them, but hell yeah. Woohoo! Yes sir, drew blood, good with me. All right, where's the scale? I got my digital and I got a spring, but it has a tape. So we get a length on them. Turn on. Okay, scale's on, zeroed out. Let's see what this bad boy weighs. Oh, looks bigger. 11, almost 11.33. 11.33. Heck yeah. And it is gonna be from the tail to the tip, 30 and a half. Probably hard to see, but yes, from the tail to the tip, just under 31 to the bottom lip. Heck yeah. Calm down, buddy, I got you. Yes, sir. Alamo flatheads. I'm gonna get some flicks real quick. Yes, sir. Next to my shoe. Okay, flip it. Hold on. I want to get a freaking picture. I want to get a picture. Nope. Shit. That will work. Yep. Alright. I'm gonna let you go right now, buddy. Just smile for the camera. One more. Yes, sir. Alright, Alamo River flatheads. He fought like hell too. I thought he was bigger. But let's send him back. I'm gonna make sure he's all good to go. Whenever you're ready, buddy. Come on. Whenever you're ready, bud. Come on. No, whenever you're ready. Come on, buddy. Are you ready? Not yet. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. You ready? Oh, yeah. Come on. There you go. Hell yeah. Good. Took off. Let's get another.